This video is an unboxing and deployment video for the SkySound CS10. What's in the box? Note before installation. As shown in the diagram, these are ceiling types that support in-ceiling installation. Ceiling load-bearing recommendations with embedded installation. If the ceiling load capacity is greater than 4.7 kilograms, only the assembly fixing bracket is required. If the ceiling load capacity is less than 4.7 kilograms, and the ceiling grid support greater than 6.3 kilograms, bracing bridges are required. You can enter the configuration tool for design by scanning the QR code below. You can also scan the QR code below to view the related recommended meeting room deployment documentation. It is recommended to have 2 people collaborate to complete the deployment. Ceiling drilling. The ceiling style is for demonstration only. Please have the ceiling tile professionally removed in accordance with the actual conditions. Before drilling, please carefully read the usage instructions on the deployment instruction template. Align to the center. Mark the hole. Use the appropriate tool to drill hole at the marked location. If you have a one-piece ceiling, you can directly mark and drill holes in the ceiling. Assembly fixing bracket installation. If you need to use it with bracing bridges, you can skip to 2 minutes and 58 seconds for instructions. Place the assembly fixing bracket on the ceiling tile hole. Install it back onto the ceiling together. Caution, prevent slipping. If it's a one-piece ceiling, you can align the assembly fixing bracket with the hole and install. When the one-piece ceiling has been decorated and difficult to disassemble, you need to cut along the hole line using the appropriate tool. Then, install it into the ceiling hole by rotating. Align with the hole. Bracing bridges installation, optional. If you don't need to use bracing bridges, you can skip this section and continue watching from 4 minutes and 28 seconds. The bracing bridges is adjustable. Adjustable range, 400 to 438 millimeters, or 600 to 638 millimeters. Compatible ceiling grid, T-bar. Keel dimensions support 22 to 38 millimeters. Compatible ceiling grid, triangle. Keel dimensions support 25 to 35 millimeters. Install the assembly fixing bracket onto the bracing bridges. Install the entire bracket. Install ceiling tile. After installing the ceiling tile, align the assembly fixing bracket with the hole. For triangular keel, you can use screws to secure the bracing bridges. Equipment wiring. Connect Ethernet cable to device. Install dust cover. Equipment installation. Align and insert the device into the hole. Tighten the 4 screws in sequence, ensuring that the 4 fixing clips unfold and lock securely. Install the mesh cover. Magnetic attraction, 630 grams. Factory reset. Remove the mesh cover. Long press the reset button for 5s until the red light flashes slowly to initiate the reset mode.